Hello friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. But there are many other reasons why weight can be gained, like if your thyroid, hypothyroidism, if you have heard of, when thyroid functioning goes below normal, that time also body quickly start gaining weight. Like he is normal person, he is maybe Pitta Prakriti or Vata Prakriti, but when there is some problem with thyroid gland, hyposecretion most of the times, that time also people gain weight so quickly and they are unaware of the fact like why this weight is gaining. So for all of you, I want to say, like, you are also feeling this kind of problem, like suddenly there is a weight gain, then go check with your doctor, check your thyroid levels, and according to according to test reports, you start taking medicine or not start taking medicines. But in same cases, many times I have heard like people have this trend these days, oh my weight is gaining, okay, maybe it is thyroid, okay, I start taking medicine. These kind of things are happening because people are not aware of, because they just see in internet thyroid this that and they start taking pills. So I would like to request, first of all, if you are also having this kind of mindset, like sometimes, because no person wants to harm himself, it's just because unawareness, they don't know like what to do and they just start keeping these hormonal pills and these kind of medicines they start taking. So I would like to request all those people, please don't go for self medication. Always take medicine from a doctor's prescription. Because I am totally not support self medication. Whenever it is general things about knowledge of food and these kind of things are okay, but when it comes to medicine, always take doctor's prescription. Please don't go for self medication. So these things I think we all can take care of. And now we will continue with kapha. So this is one of the point, like because these obese people face these kind of problems, or the people who are gaining weight so quickly, they face these kind of problems. That's why I thought, okay, it's good to share, to make people aware.